Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your Xeam Ventures employee account. For this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome. Now, bring up the search bar and type in Xeam Ventures employee login and hit enter. Make sure, guys, it takes you to the official link gar.com. Click over here. Now, you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the sign-in form. Simply enter your employee code over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. Click on Remember Me for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it on a public computer. And once you click on the login button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password, then you'll be able to easily recover your password. That's all for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.